Hello. In this video we are going to see how to copy, paste and delete using text editor called Vim. Let me open the file called name that we have been using in previous video for the demonstration. Most commands that we are using have talked about it in previous video. If you don't know anything about Vim or Linux, take time to revise those commands. This is the file we have been using. It contains random names that we are going to use for learning. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let's make two lists of students. A list of first 5 student in English and list of first 5 student in Spanish. Let's change the title of the first list from first 5 students to go to the first 5 students in Spanish. To do that we have to press letter I to enter into insert mode. As you can see we are in insert mode, and let's change that title. Spanish. Let's press escape key to move to normal mode after editing our file so that any character typed in normal mode will be interpreted as a Vim command. The first command we are going to see is Y. Stands for a yank in Vim, which is conceptually similar to copying. When you press Y in normal mode, it puts Vim into operator pending mode, waiting for a motion or text object to specify what to yank or to copy. Copy the current line in Vim, we use Y. Let yank or copy this first line as title of second list for first 5 students in English. We are going to make another list here. Let press Y to copy first line. Let's move it down. Press P to paste. As we are in normal mode, let press I to enter into insert mode to edit this file. The next command is D. In Vim, the D command is used for deleting text. When you press D in normal mode, Vim enters operator pending mode, waiting for a motion or text object to specify what to delete. After pressing D, you typically follow it with a motion or text object to indicate what you want to delete. D alone doesn't delete anything by itself, it's a precursor to a delete operation. For example, let delete this line 6 with name Sophia Mason. Press escape key to move to normal mode so that command line can understand commands. To delete current line we use D. Go to the line you want to delete. Press D twice to delete that name Sophia Mason. As you can see, it have been deleted. So let's see how we can copy multiple lines at the same time. Let's try to copy the first 3 names. To copy more than one line you have to type in the number of lines followed by Y. This command will copy or yank mentioned number of lines starting from your cursor position. To copy those 3 lines we put cursor on first line, then press 3, after that we press Y twice. As you can see here, there is text message that says 3 lines yanked or copied. So let's paste what we have copied down. Press P to paste or put. As you can see, 3 more lines are added. Let's see how we can copy text depending on position of cursor. To copy everything from the cursor to the end of the line, we use Command Y and $. This will copy every text in line from the location of cursor to the end of line. Remember, in previous videos we saw that $sign is used to jump to the end of line. If we press Y and $sign, we will be copying all text behind the cursor. The text behind the cursor is Johnson. So press Y and $sign. Let's add that name to the last list down here. We are pasting this name here. Let's see how we can copy everything behind the cursor. Y and copy everything from the start of the line to the cursor. Let's just copy this name Zoe. Means that we will copy from Zoe to 9. We are copying everything behind the cursor. So press Y and symbol to copy and add it to the list down here. As you can see, we have everything that was behind the cursor. Try getting comfortable copying and pasting. Let's see how to copy current word. Individual word, single word. To copy current word, we use Command Y, I and W. Let's just grab number 5 from first name. Put cursor on word you want to copy and press Y, I and W. Let move it down. Paste it here. As you can see, we have copied it. Let add the last name by copying one name from different people in above list. Let's use Y, I and W to copy the current word. Paste it here and let's find another name. Let's use the same command to copy current line and paste it down on line 5. You notice that Y, I and W command copy current word only, it doesn't include space before or after it. Let's see how we can delete multiple line in Vim. To delete multiple line, we use command that start by specifying number of lines you want to delete, then D. If we press double D only, it will delete current line as we saw it in this video. As you see, only line 6 is deleted. So let's delete line 7, 8 and 9. Right, that are 3 lines. So we press 3 means that we want to delete 3 lines from location of cursor and the press double D. As you can see, we have deleted 3 lines from this text at the same time. Let's see how to delete text depending on the location of cursor. To do that, we need to put cursor where we want to delete a text from. To delete a text after cursor to the end of the line, we use D and $sign. Let's say I want to delete everything behind the cursor. I will use D and $sign to delete name Foster. As you can't see, it was deleted. Maybe that was only one name behind the cursor. For better demonstration, let's use U command to undo the previous action of deleting that name. Let's move the cursor to the beginning of the name for showcase that this command delete everything behind the cursor. Then I'm pressing D and $sign to delete everything behind the cursor. Let's delete this name using double D. Let's see how you can paste text depending on the location of the cursor. Let me copy this name Maya and use it as showcase. As you can see, the location of cursor is on N. If I use capital letter P, paste after your cursor, paste before your cursor. If I use small letter p to paste the name Maya, will paste after the cursor. To paste in Vim, we use letter P. P as uppercase, paste before your cursor. P as lowercase, paste after your cursor. I hope you learned something. Keep practicing those commands. Here is the revision of what we saw in this video. Copy or yank. Pasting. Deleting. See you in the next video.